Hi guys, this is Pinky with Ponky. So, if you see, my hobby is to do drawings. So, I like to do drawings, so I picked a picture of a drawing. So, I'm going to see what are the colors I need to do. I'm going to use the colors right now. Yellow, orange, blue, purple, some green. Let's start with the chicken. Now let's start coloring the candles. I'm going to color orange for the face. Finally, we finished with the chicken dinner drawing. Here it is. Colors are everywhere and colors express things. This is the end of the video today. If you like our channel, you just like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to comment. Bye.